Have you ever wondered if we are alone in the universe? Could life, as we know it, exist on a planet like Mars? Let's take a moment to consider Mars, our red neighbor in the cosmic backyard. Mars has long been the subject of human fascination and speculation. Ancient astronomers gazed upon it, modern scientists sent robots to explore it, and countless science fiction writers have imagined civilizations upon its rusty surface. But could life actually exist on Mars? To answer this question, we first need to understand what life needs to thrive. At the very basics, life as we know it requires three things: a stable source of energy, a liquid medium like water where biochemical reactions can take place, and a collection of biologically useful elements such as carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur. So, how does Mars fit into this scenario? Mars is a lot colder than Earth, and its thin atmosphere makes it a harsh environment for life as we know it. But that doesn't mean life is impossible there. In fact, Mars has shown signs that it might have harbored life in the past. Scientists have found evidence of ancient rivers and lakes on Mars, bodies of liquid water that could have been stable environments for life. And while Mars's surface is now dry and barren, there is still water ice beneath its surface. Moreover, Mars's soil contains many of the same elements found on Earth that are necessary for life. And let's not forget the intriguing discovery of methane in the Martian atmosphere, a gas that on Earth is largely produced by living organisms. This doesn't prove that there's life on Mars, but it does suggest that Mars has the potential to support life. But we're only at the beginning of our journey. As we continue to explore Mars with robots and perhaps someday with humans, we may yet find signs of life, past or present, lurking in the red planet's nooks and crannies. The journey to finding life on Mars has been a long one, filled with exciting discoveries and breakthroughs. The quest to find life on Mars is not new. It's a journey that has spanned decades, with each mission bringing us one step closer to answering this intriguing question. The history of Mars exploration is a testament to human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. It all began in the mid-20th century, with the first successful flyby in 1965 by Mariner 4. This mission gave us the first glimpses of Mars, revealing a barren landscape pockmarked by craters. In the following years, a series of missions were launched, each with a unique objective and each contributing to our understanding of the Red Planet. Viking 1 and 2, launched in the mid-70s, were the first to land successfully on Mars. Their findings suggested a dry and lifeless world, but they sparked a fascination that has endured for decades. Fast forward to the 21st century, and we see the arrival of the Mars exploration rovers, Spirit and Opportunity. These twin rovers, each equipped with a suite of scientific instruments, roved the Martian surface for years beyond their expected lifetimes, uncovering evidence of past water activity on Mars. Then came the Curiosity rover in 2012, a car-sized rover designed to explore Gale Crater. Curiosity's discoveries have been groundbreaking, uncovering the existence of organic molecules and providing strong evidence that Mars could have supported microbial life in the past. Finally, we arrive at the latest chapter in Mars exploration, the Perseverance rover. Launched in 2020, Perseverance's mission is to seek signs of ancient life and collect samples that could eventually be returned to Earth. This rover is not just looking for life, it's paving the way for future human missions to Mars. Each mission to Mars has brought us closer to understanding this alien world and its potential for life. And with every new discovery, we inch closer to answering the age-old question, is there life out there beyond Earth? The journey continues, and with it, our quest for knowledge and understanding. While we have not found definitive proof of life on Mars, several discoveries suggest that it could be a possibility. The evidence that suggests the possibility of life on Mars is compelling. The first piece of evidence is the discovery of water. Mars is home to vast amounts of water ice, and there's evidence that liquid water flows intermittently on the planet's surface. Though it's not the flowing rivers we're used to on Earth, this water could potentially be a habitat for life. Next, we have the discovery of organic molecules on Mars. In 2018, NASA's Mars rover, Curiosity, found complex organic molecules in 3 billion-year-old sedimentary rocks near the surface. Now, organic doesn't necessarily mean biological. These compounds could have been produced by non-biological processes. Yet the fact that they exist increases the odds of life having once been present. Another intriguing piece of evidence comes from the detection of methane in the Martian atmosphere. On Earth, most of the methane in our atmosphere comes from biological sources. Though the source of Martian methane is still a mystery, its presence suggests the possibility of a biosphere, however small, beneath the Martian surface. Finally, we have potential biosignatures. These are signs of past or present life. In 2020, scientists announced the discovery of potential biosignatures in the atmosphere of Mars. These include a seasonal variation in methane levels and the detection of certain types of organic molecules. While these findings are not conclusive evidence of life, they are consistent with what we might expect to see if life were present. In the search for life on Mars, we're working with bits and pieces. Each discovery, each potential biosignature adds another piece to the puzzle. While it's not a complete picture yet, these pieces suggest a fascinating possibility: the possibility of life on Mars. These discoveries have not confirmed life on Mars, but they have opened up exciting possibilities. The search for life on Mars is far from over. With future missions planned, we're on the brink of potentially groundbreaking discoveries. As we peer into the future, we see a horizon filled with infinite possibilities and countless mysteries waiting to be unraveled. The next decade promises a series of ambitious missions. NASA's Mars Sample Return mission hopes to bring back rock and soil samples for in-depth analysis on Earth. This project will provide scientists with hands-on access to Martian material, offering a wealth of information about the planet's geology, climate, and most importantly, the potential for life. Equally exciting are the plans for human exploration. The Artemis program aims to return humans to the Moon by the late 2020s as a stepping stone towards the ultimate goal: humans stepping foot on Mars. The prospect of human missions to Mars could revolutionize our search for life. Astronauts, with their human intuition and adaptability, could identify signs of life that our robotic explorers might miss. But it's not just NASA. Private companies like SpaceX are also setting their sights on the red planet. Elon Musk's ambitious goal to establish a self-sustaining colony on Mars by the mid-2040s could accelerate our understanding of the Martian environment and its potential to support life. However, these missions are not without challenges. From the technical difficulties of landing and surviving on Mars, to the ethical considerations of potentially contaminating a foreign world with Earth life, our journey to Mars will be a test of our technological prowess and moral compass. But despite these challenges, the future of Mars exploration is bright. The next generation of missions will build upon our current knowledge, pushing the boundaries of what we know and what we can achieve. They will help us understand our place in the cosmos and whether Mars, our neighbor and sibling in the solar system, could have once harbored life, or might still do so today. As we continue to explore Mars, we inch closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? The possibility of life on Mars has fascinated us for decades, driving relentless exploration and discovery. We've journeyed through a riveting chronicle of Mars exploration, from the early days of Viking and Curiosity rovers to the current missions of Perseverance and future endeavors. Each expedition has been a stepping stone, paving the way for the next, each one building upon the discoveries and learnings of its predecessor. We've explored the tantalizing clues which suggest the existence of life on the red planet, from the presence of water and organic molecules to the fascinating microorganisms that might be the smoking gun we've been searching for. These Mars microbes, if confirmed, could change our understanding of life in the universe forever. But the question persists: is life on Mars possible? It's a question that has gripped scientists, researchers, and dreamers alike. And as we've seen, the answer isn't a simple yes or no. It's a complex puzzle, with pieces scattered across vast landscapes, hidden beneath the Martian soil and encrypted in the planet's atmosphere and geological structures. The future of Mars exploration looks promising, With every new mission, we inch closer to answering this monumental question. New technologies, advanced rovers, and even potential manned missions to Mars will continue to push the boundaries of our knowledge and capabilities. The quest for life on Mars is more than just a scientific endeavor. It's a testament to human curiosity, our thirst for knowledge, and our relentless pursuit of understanding the universe we inhabit. Mars, our neighboring planet, has become a beacon of mystery and discovery, compelling us to reach further, explore deeper, and dream bigger. While we don't yet have a definitive answer, the search for life on Mars continues to be a thrilling journey of discovery and exploration. This journey is far from over, and we can only imagine what groundbreaking revelations are still waiting for us beyond the horizon.